Hello everyone, you're welcome to solve this nice math problem, which is 698 raised to the power of 2 plus 699 raised to the power of 3 plus 700 to the power of 4 minus 2 divided by 701 multiplied by 699. So we want to solve this math problem, and remember, no calculator starter around. So let's provide a solution from here. The first step here, we can express 698. This is the same thing as 700 minus 2 raised to the power of 2, then plus 699. This is the same thing as 700 subtract 1, everything here, raised to the power of 3, then plus, now we have 700 raised to the power of 4, then subtract 2, everything here, divided by 701, which we can express as 700 plus 1, multiplying by, here we have 699, which we can express as 700 subtract 1. The next step from here, we can let 700 be equal to u. So let's substitute u where we have 700, so that now we have u minus 2 raised to the power of 2, then plus 700 minus 1, this is u minus 1 raised to the power of 3, then plus u to the power of 4 minus 2, everything here, divided by u plus 1 multiplied by u minus 1. Now we have that u minus 2 to the power of 2, this is in the form of a minus b raised to the power of 2, which we can express as a squared plus b squared minus 2ab. Now we have that u minus 1 to the power of 3. This is actually in the form of a minus b to the power of 3, which we can express as a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3. Subtract 3 times ab into the parentheses. This is a minus b, close the parentheses. Now let's apply these two identities here to solve this. So u minus 2 to the power of 2, this becomes u to the power of 2 plus 4 minus 4u, then plus, now let's apply this formula here, so that now we have u to the power of 3 minus 1 to the power of 3 minus 3 times u times 1 into the parentheses. This is u minus 1, then plus u to the power of 4 minus 2, everything here, divided by u plus 1 multiplied by u subtract 1. Now the next step is that we have u to the power of 2 minus 4u plus 4. Now here we have plus u to the power of 3 subtract 1 to the power of 3, this is 1, minus, this is 3 times u times 1, this is 3u into the parentheses, this is u minus 1, then plus u to the power of 4 subtract 2, everything here, divided by u plus 1 multiplied by u minus 1. Now here we have, let's open the parentheses here, so this is u squared minus 4u plus 4, then plus u to the power of 3 minus 1, then minus 3u times u, this is minus 3u squared, then minus 3u times minus 1, this is plus 3u, then plus u to the power of 4 minus 2, everything here, divided by u plus 1 multiplied by u subtract 1. Now, the next step from here, let's start here. We have u to the power of 4, so we can rearrange this as u to the power of 4. Then we have u to the power of 3 here. So we have plus u to the power of 3. Then we have u squared minus 3 squared. So this is minus 2u squared. Then we have minus 4u plus 3u. This is minus u. Then we have 4 minus 1. This is minus 3. 4 minus 1, this is 3. 3 minus 2, this is 1. So we have plus 1. Everything here divided by u plus 1 times u minus 1. Now, the next step from here is that we can express u to the power of 3. This is the same thing as u to the power of 4 plus u to the power of 3 is the same thing as 2u to the power of 3 minus u to the power of 3. Then minus 2u to the power of 2 minus u plus 1. Everything here divided by u plus 1 multiplied by u subtract 1. Now the next step is that we have u to the power of 4 minus, now here we have u to the power of 3 plus 2u to the power of 3 minus 2u squared, then minus u plus 1. Again, everything here divided by u plus 1 times u minus 1. Now, let's factor out here. From the first part here, u to the power of 3 is common, so we can factor out u to the power of 3. Into the parentheses, this is u minus 1, then plus the second part here, we have that 2u squared is common, so we factor out 2u squared into the parentheses. Here we have u minus 1. Then here we have u minus u plus 1. We have that 1 is common here, so we can factor out 1 into the parentheses. This is u minus 1. Everything here divided by u plus 1 times u subtract 1. Now, we have that u minus 1 is common here, so we can factor out u subtract 1. Now, let's factor out u minus 1 so that we have u subtract 1 into the parentheses. This is u to the power of 3, then plus 2u squared, then subtract 1, cross the parentheses, everything here divided by u plus 1 multiplied by u subtract 1. So we have that u minus 1 is it. We can simplify this u minus 1 and u minus 1 so that now in the numerator we have u to the power of 3 plus 2u squared minus 1 divided by u plus 1. Now the numerator here, this is a cubic function that we can express as u to the power of 3 plus we can express 2u squared. This is the same thing as u to the power of 2 plus u to the power of 2. Now we don't have u here, but we can represent u as plus u minus u. If you say u minus u is the same thing as what we have here, then subtract 1 divided by u plus 1. Now, from here, u cubed minus u to the power of 2, we have that u squared is common here, so we can factor out u to the power of 2 into the parentheses. Here we have u plus 1. Then the second part here, we have that u is common, so we have plus u into the parentheses. This is u plus 1. Then lastly here, we have that 1 is common here, so we can factor out 1 into the parentheses. This is u plus 1. Everything here divided by u plus 1. if you check the numerator here, u plus 1 is common here, so we can factor out u plus 1 into the parentheses. This is u squared plus u, subtract 1, everything here, divided by u plus 1. So u plus 1 and u plus 1 here, this can simplify here, so that now here we have u to the power of 2 plus u minus 1. Now, if you recall, we insist that let 700 be equal to u. So let's substitute 700 where we have u, so that now this is 700 raised to the power of 2 plus 700, then minus 1. So 700 squared, this is the same thing as 490,000, then plus 700 minus 1, this is 699. And this means that here 490,000 plus 699, this is equal to 490,699. And this is the solution to this math problem we have solved without a calculator. So kindly follow the steps, like this video, and kindly subscribe. Please like this video and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye for now.